Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful Mother's Day card. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a piece of sturdy cardstock, ideally 8.5 by 11 inches, which will form the base of your card. Also, grab some scissors, a reliable glue stick, and a variety of decorative items like colorful papers, markers, glitter, or stickers. Having everything ready makes the creative process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's create the card's foundation. Take your 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock and fold it precisely in half. You can choose to fold it along the 11-inch side for a taller card, or along the 8.5-inch side for a wider one. Press down firmly along the crease to ensure a sharp, clean fold. This step is crucial for a well-structured and appealing card. With your card base ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Unleash your creativity by cutting out various shapes from colorful paper, like hearts or flowers, and gluing them onto the front. You can also use markers to draw special pictures or intricate patterns. Don't forget to add a touch of sparkle with glitter, or perhaps a small ribbon for an elegant finish. Make it truly unique and reflective of your mom's personality. Finally, the most important part is adding your personal touch inside. Open your beautifully decorated card and write a heartfelt message to your mom. This is your chance to express all your love, gratitude, and appreciation for everything she does. Keep it sincere and from the heart. Once your message is complete, sign your name clearly. Your handmade card, filled with love, is now ready to make her day extra special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.